guys, in this video I'm gonna make a sword. So like and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. First we will take this, a purple block here, and this one again. I'm making a sword that can turn into everything like a robot, and I will also show you how it can. First it looks like a mini sword, but it's a mini. We will take this one smaller piece, and you know why I put the smaller piece, so that the bigger one can be pointy like. It broke. I don't want that like happen that with your that carbon with your that my small brother break it. I don't need that. So that's it's still working like it. It's so hard guys to make, but we make it. Now I want to tell you it can turn into a gun like this. Gun like this. And under boat like this. It also looks like a robot. See? It can. I don't know why I don't put the tire. But like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.